Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Update your existing Hayssen Ultima with the UD-175 upgrade package. This upgrade package replaces outdated, difficult-to-support technology. The UD-175 upgrade package includes a new Allen Bradley panel view plus 7. New electrical components, including an Allen Bradley L36 controller and Compact Logix I/O cards. This replaces the older Gallo Motion controller. Allen Bradley K5300 drives. The UD-175 upgrade replaces older stepper motors with newer, better performing MPL servo motors. Increase the longevity and performance of your Hayssen Ultima with the UD-175 upgrade. For more information, contact Alex E. Jones and Associates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.